Hello YouTube, Emma here with my daddy. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your motorcycle chain. Let me show you the things you will need to do. The job: rear stand, chain cleaner, chain brush, paper towels, chain lube, and foam mat to sit on. Now let's get started. First, cover your back wheel with paper towels. Next, spray the chain cleaner on the chain. Then use the brush to clean the chain. And move the back wheel slowly to clean the rest of the chain. Once you are done cleaning the chain, fold a piece of paper towel and wipe it off of the dirty chain. Depending on how dirty your chain was, you may need a few paper towels.
Alrighty guys, if you want to get the rest of your chain really clean, besides cleaning the back sprocket, you want to get to the front sprocket, and that's located over here behind this cover. So one of the things you're going to need is going to be a red marker, a red or white marker. Now the reason for the red or white marker is because you want to mark this area. You want to make sure that you put the part where the quick shifter connects to in the same location. Doesn't matter which way you mark, as long as you mark both the plastic and the metal piece. So you want to make sure you just put a line through it like that, so that way when you put it back, you put it back in the same location. After that, it's going to be the nut is going to be with a 5mm Allen key. Okay, since it was the first time I slid it off, I did need to use a screwdriver. Now the screwdriver is going to go in between right over here, and you're going to kind of wiggle it to just open it up just a little bit more. Once you have it opened up more, you can just go ahead and slide it out, and there we go, we have it slid out. So I'm going to get the camera back so you guys can see. So there it is, have it slid out, and just have it off to the side for now. Now that'll give you access to this bolt here and this bolt over here, and that's going to be with a 10mm socket. So go ahead and remove those two bolts. Okay, once you get the top bolt and the bottom bolt out. Okay, so once you do that, you can go ahead and remove your cover. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty, not too bad. All this is really because of a ride I did a little while ago, which I kind of hit a lot of dirt roads. But other than that, the front sprocket's not looking too bad. There is a little bit of gunk here in the bottom, and I'm going to take a further little bit of an inspection. So right now would be a good time to get your clean paper towel and start just wiping off those areas, making sure that you get all the gunk and everything, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and you guys do the same if you have a lot of gunk in there. Alright guys, I got it pretty much very clean over there. I should have taken a really good video before to show you on how dirty and gunky it was inside. So I use a combination of paper towel, and I also decided to use this mass airflow cleaner, as it'll be safe around electrical components, and it does a really good job of cleaning everything. So these are the two products that I use to clean all of this area over here. Alright, so now that I am done in the cleaning department, now I could go ahead and put the cover back on. And also didn't even notice that it actually shows you your gears. Pretty cool. And it's located on the bottom part of this little cover. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this cover back on, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the screws back on. Then after that, I'll show you the part where we put this piece back on here. Okay, already got the cover back on. Now let's go ahead and grab our quick shifter, and then we are going to put it back up in this spot. Alright, there we go. Okay, I almost got a little scared there. I was like, what happened to my red mark? But it's actually on this side. Alright, so now that we got that part there, I'm going to go ahead and put it here. Make sure you line it up with your marking. As you can see, it is lined up there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the screw. So go ahead and put the screw, and make sure you tighten it up all the way.
Last thing to do now is lube the chain. Fold a piece of towel paper and spray the chain. Lube on. Make sure you spray a lot on the paper. Now carefully move the wheel and use the paper to lube the chain. If this video helped you out, please smash that like button. Leave a comment down below if you would like to see more videos of me and my dad working on motorcycles. Don't forget to subscribe, people, and help my dad grow his channels.